Good morning children. Today 5th class mathematics. Today we are discussing about how to form the greatest and smallest numbers using the given digits. That is without repeating any digits. That is formation of first bit. Formation of smallest and greatest numbers. Okay. Smallest number. First of all, observe the given digits. Okay. In that digits, I am taking the first question as 8, 0, 3, 1, 6, 7. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I took 6 digits. Using this 6 digit, write down the smallest number. Okay. First of all, smallest number. After that, greatest number. Smallest number means like write down ascending order. Okay. You don't use the commas. If you are keeping commas means these are known as digits. If you are not keeping comma, then the digits are known as numbers. Okay. If we separate the numbers with using commas, that are known as digits. Okay. That is the difference between digits and numbers. Smallest numbers means like from small to big, the given numbers. In this, which is the small number? I think you all are saying 0. Okay. 0 after 1, 3, 6, 7, 8. Now read this number. How you are reading? 13,678. Here we got only 5-digit number, but we want 6-digit number. So it is wrong. How you have to write down? First observe the given numbers, which is the small number. If you get 0, don't write 0 first like this. Don't write. First write down the small number, that is 1. Here 1 they given. 1 after, now you can write down 0. Okay. After that, next small number, that is 3. Next 6, 7, 8. Now you can read this. How you are reading? 1,03,678 like this. Okay. And using the same numbers, write down the greatest number. First write down 8, 7, 6, 3, 1, 0. It is known as formation of smallest and greatest numbers. And second question, that is 9, 4, 8 and 7, 1, 0, 0. Okay. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and I took here one more digit, that is 6. Total I took how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Using these 8 digits, you have to form a smallest number and greatest number. First write down the smallest number. Smallest number means first we have to write zeros. No, if you are writing 0 means it is wrong. It is wrong answer. First write down small number in the given numbers. Which is the small number? Observe. 9, 4, 8, 7, 2, 0, 0, 6. 2 is the small number. Write down 2. 2 after next number. That is 6. Yes, write down 0, 0, 0, 0. They given 2 times means we have to write 2 times also. After that, which is the small number? Yes, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. write down the greatest number. If you want means according to Indian system, 3 numbers after comma, 2 numbers after comma, 2 numbers after comma. Like this you have to keep, but don't keep each and every number after. Each and every number after you are keeping known as, these are known as digits. It is known as number. Okay, like this. Now write down greatest number, means big to small. The given numbers, the big number is 9, 8, 7, 6, 4. Write down 2. After write down zeros in the last. Okay. 002 writing means 4002 is becoming as. Now 4200. 4002 is big number or 4200 is big number. 4200. So write down like this. This one over after I am giving some questions hard to using that digits write down the smallest number and greatest number. That is 3, 1, 0, 5, 1, 7, 6. And fourth one 8, 4, 3, 9, 0. And fifth one 9, 1, 8, 2, 7, 4, 3. Sixth question, that is 5, 2, 0, 6, 1, 9. Okay, like this. After this second bit we will discuss, that is comparison of numbers. Comparison means you have to keep less than, greater than or equal to using the given numbers. Okay, it is in your textbook page number 73 is there. Okay, it is in your textbook page number 74 page. Do you have any documents? Open and check. And it is in your textbook page number 73 is there. Okay. First of all, the question is 9, 65, 842 and 95, 842. First of all, comparison means you have to compare the given numbers. How many digits they given in the before the box and after the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here they given 6-digit number. Here they given 5-digit number. Which is the big number? 6-digit number is the big number. So like this. Big number side open, small number side close. After that, second question. That is next one. Two sides same number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the number also same. Means you should keep equal to. Okay. After that, now here 73,12,146. It is a 7-digit number. 73,12,149. It is also 7-digit number. If both sides are same number of digits, you have to check the highest place value. That is from left to right. 7 is in 10 lakhs place. See, 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10,000s. It is thousands. It is hundreds, tens, ones. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs plus 10 lakhs plus 7, 7 common. Lakhs plus 3, 3 common. Check the before place. 10,001 is there, 10,001 is there. 1,002 is there, 1,002 is there. Common means go for the next number. Hundreds place 1, 1 common. Tens place 4, 4 common. Ones place here 6 is there, here 9 is there. Which is the big number? Compare 6 and 9. 9 is the big number. Big number set opens, small number set close. It is known as less than. Like this. Okay. Like this, if they given different number of digits means you can keep directly. If they given same number of digits, same number means equal to. If they given same number of digits and the numbers change means you have to check like this. If the 1000 place only different, no need to keep check the before places. You can write down directly. For example, see, it is a 5-digit number, it is also 5-digit number. Check the highest place value. This first place. Left to right. 6 is here, 8 is here. Which is the big number? 8. So automatically the total number becoming as big number. Same like this, some more questions I am giving, you have to observe and keep the symbols. Fifth one. 1, 5, 1, 2, 340. After that 16, 12, 440. Next 35, 14, 100, 25, 14, 100. Next 69, 5, 0, 7, 0. 69, 5, 0, 7, 0. And 8th one. 17, 35,000. 12, 35,000. You have to practice this all in your maths notebook and you have to learn and write tables also. Okay? Learn and write 2 to 5 tables. Okay? I am giving in the exam like tables, fill in the blanks. Tables, fill in the blanks. You must write down the answers. First one. Today I have to given 5. In that only I am giving. Same these questions only I am not giving. Just for I am saying as examples. 3 sevens. 2 6. 5 is 0 like this. Okay? And today your homework is practice given revision bits in maths notes. Okay? After this, do you have interestments in your textbook page number 73? Do you have ascending and descending order also? Okay? Do you have in page number 74? 74 page. Ascending and descending. Orders. Okay. After this, do you have time? Do you have interestments? You have to practice ascending and descending orders also. Okay. If you want means you have to keep in your own questions and you have to practice. But compulsory write down date and date. For For this revision also I am going to give 20 marks. If you are not ready means you are wish. At least ascending order, descending order, each and every bit have to keep 5 questions. Okay? And tables read compulsory. I am giving in the middle like that, fill in the blanks. You have to finish that all tables. This is your homework today. Thank you. Maintain the book neatly.